Bush Cleaners is definitely your full service dry cleaning and laundry service. We can pick up and drop off wherever you are. You can just call us, and there's no additional charge for any delivery services. We can do it at your home, at your office, business, wherever you are. We'll pick it up and drop it off for you. In addition to that convenience, we're also located all over Siouxland. We're at the Village Square in Dakota Dunes, Morningside Avenue, and Hamilton Boulevard, all of the Hy-Vees. And we offer something unique to the tri-state area, which is the Green Earth cleaning system. Leaving less of a carbon footprint, we are offering the eco-friendly Green Earth cleaning system that doesn't use any hazardous chemicals to clean your clothes. And you'll be pleased with how great your clothes come back. The Green Earth cleaning system has not only done just as well as a dry cleaning, it's exceeded the expectation we had as far as how the clothes come out. Green Earth has provided us with clothes that smell better, they look better, they feel better on, and of course when you feel you look good, then you feel good all over. Bush Cleaners offers many different options for people who are looking for cleaning services. We clean rugs, we do leathers, we have a laundry service that you can bring in, pay by the pound. It's washed, folded, and wrapped and delivered back to you if you need it delivered. You know, Bush Cleaners, I think, has been really known for paying attention to the details, along with our bags that we send back your comforters or bedspreads in, any gowns that people send in or cocktail dresses. They're put in a plastic bag that has the zipper in it, so it's protected for the next time that you wanna see it. Also, things that on a suit, you bring a suit in, and we just don't put it on a wire hanger. We have the padded hanger so that the suit lays nice and there's no dimples on your shoulders from where the wire hanger had been hanging for months. It's like it is when you get it at the men's store with the thick hanger. Those kind of details, I think, really set us apart. Also, if someone needs something that day, you can bring it in the morning. We can have it done for you that afternoon. If it's something that's just a press only, we can certainly accommodate that. We do several hundred shirts a day here at the plant, and we are so pleased with the response we've gotten back from customers on getting out the ring around the collar, the ink marks around the cuffs, grease spots here and there, and we're pleased that our customers are so happy with the quality that comes back to them with their garments. We do have some specialty services that we offer to our customers. One of them is our bridal gown and baptismal cleaning. We take your gown, clean it, and if you want, you can come in and inspect it, and then we box it up. It's got a clear window so you can always see the gown, and we seal it so that it's safe from any air and any, I guess, contaminants from the outside. And so, you know, 20 years later, 40 years later, you have a daughter that wants to get married, you can open the box and show her a dress that looks just as good as the day as you put it in. Another service that Bush Cleaners provides is our expert alterations and seamstress services. When a button comes off in the cleaning process or someone brings something in, the button's missing, we put that in, of course, at no extra charge. But we also have alterations available. You need something hemmed or a zipper replaced or repaired, jeans repaired, whatever it is, we have a gal that does such a great job on all of our alterations and seamstress work that we're very proud to offer that at Bush Cleaners. And it's usually within the week that you get it back, which makes it nice because some of the alteration places are, you know, maybe a couple weeks out, but we're right away. We have a service that we also offer here at Bush Cleaners to clean leathers, and that includes your, I call them UGG boots, the boots that there's other brands, but we clean them here as well, and they really do come out great. So if you've got the salt stains on your boots and they're not looking as new as they used to, bring them in, we can get them cleaned for you. Leather jackets, coats, leather pants, bring them in and we'll get that cleaned for you. One thing that Bush Cleaners is very proud of is our pickup and delivery service. All over Siouxland, call us, we can come and pick it up wherever you're at, business or office or home. The nice thing about it is you can just put your bag out, we'll pick it up one day, deliver it back another, and we can just set you up on a charge account. And then we'll bill you monthly, or you can give us a credit card and it's just taken off of your credit card. So you never have to worry about, oh, I got to get my dry cleaning payment in. It's taken care of for you. It's one more thing to take off of your to-do list. And that's one thing Bush Cleaners is hoping to provide as many of our customers as possible, that convenience of pickup and delivery.